Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a safety copy and opening Find and Replace with Ctrl+H so you don't lose original formatting. Once opened, click More to reveal options. This gives you access to formatting criteria. Make sure the Find What field is empty when you intend to target formatting only. You do this because Word will search for the format even without text. Now click Format below the box and select the specific formatting to delete, such as font, paragraph, or style. Next, select the exact formatting to remove using the Format button. Pick font to strip bold/italic, paragraph to remove spacing or indents, or style to target named styles. Once chosen, ensure the Replace with field is empty. If needed, click Format and choose Clear Formatting there so replacements remove properties. You should use Find next to inspect a few matches. This prevents accidental deletion of desired formatting. When confident, use Replace All to clean the whole document quickly and consistently. To finish, save your clean document under a new file name so you keep the original intact. This makes recovery simple. If Replace All removed more than intended, press Ctrl+C right away to undo the operation. Word's undo stack makes quick recovery reliable. Make sure to inspect headings and lists because some styles may persist. If so, press Ctrl+A, then click Clear All Formatting on the Home tab to remove residual formatting. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.